Hello again, friends and neighbors. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with the Agtegra Weekly Market Update. Markets were mostly firmer this week after the reset on Monday. Things to be watching for going forward in the markets is any new indication from the U.S. government in regards to biofuels and the March 31st grain stocks and planting intentions report. On to the corn side of things, values continue to be held up by higher crude and fertilizer prices. Traders are continuing to navigate the market as questions remain on the length of the conflict in the Middle East. May corn futures are now trading at or above the pre-January 12th report levels, with December corn futures at levels not seen since May of last year. May corn resistance is around 476 with support at 4.5, with December corn resistance at 498 with support at 480. On to soybeans. The May and July soybean futures took a hit on Monday as news broke that President Trump may delay the U.S.-China meeting that was stated for the end of the month. The news, along with the general uncertainty for old crop demand, brought the market crashing limit down, while November futures only fell about 40 cents. Since Monday, the May and July futures have had a tough time trying to regain what was lost, while November futures have made up at least half of the loss. May soybean futures support is at 11.50 with resistance at 12.48. November soybean support is at 11.20 with resistance at 11.74. And last, on to the wheat market. The wheat's held its own this week and essentially managed to trade sideways. Like the rest of the market, concerns in the Middle East and dryness concerns in the U.S. winter wheat belt have traders keeping the market propped up. Kansas City winter wheat topped out at 6.47 May futures on March 9th while trying to hold support around $6. Minneapolis spring wheat topped out at 6.69 May futures, also on March 9th, and will try to hold support right around 6.20. Market-based builder enrollment is currently happening. If interested or want any more information on that program or other pricing opportunities, please contact your local grain marketing specialist. We are here to help. That's what we do.